Welcome. If you want more control over who can leave reviews or see reviews on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to prevent people from viewing and leaving reviews on your Facebook page using the latest update on the Facebook app for PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account for easy access to all the features we'll need today. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up your main account menu, putting everything about your profile and page settings right at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to enter the Settings and Privacy section. Just scroll down a little from the menu and you'll spot it. Click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the expanded list. Now you're one step closer to customizing your page's review options. From the left navigation panel in Settings, locate and click on Page and Tagging. This section gives you a variety of controls over what people can do on your page, including reviews and tagging permissions. Now here's where you can make your change. Find the setting called Allow Others to View and Leave Reviews on your page. By default, this might be enabled, allowing anyone to see or add reviews. To prevent people from leaving reviews or even viewing them, simply disable this option with a click. It's instant, and there's no need to save changes. The setting updates automatically. By turning this off, visitors to your page will no longer see the reviews section, and they won't be able to submit new reviews either. This can help you manage your page's reputation more tightly and avoid unwanted or spammy feedback. And that's all it takes. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully turned off reviews for your Facebook page on the PC app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out my other guides for more tips on managing your social media pages. Thanks for watching.